Now you will see the reading passage for 3 minutes. Remember, it will be available to you again when it is time for you to write. The lecture will begin, so keep your headset on until the lecture is over.
Now listen to part of a lecture on the topic you just read about.
For quite a while, we've known that other than Earth, Venus is the planet most suitable for human habitation. But some people are skeptical that we could ever live there because of its extremely hot and hostile environment. Truthfully, though, it's not nearly as hard as you might think. For every obstacle, there's a solution. One thing a lot of skeptics assume is that people would try to live on the surface. Well, that would be a tall task, but we could certainly live in man-made structures orbiting around in the atmosphere. About 50 kilometers above Venus's surface, the atmospheric pressure is about the same as that on Earth. If a space station were built there, nothing would get crushed. And though water and oxygen don't exist on Venus in those precise forms, it is possible to use chemical reactions to isolate oxygen and create water from Venus's atmospheric gases. See, carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfide are present in the air on Venus, and through chemical reactions and an electric spark, we can create water and oxygen from those compounds. So that leaves one other problem to overcome: energy production. Okay, the cloud layer is not nearly as thick as you might think. And of course, if you build the space station high up in the atmosphere, you can collect heat energy from the sun and also energy radiating from the surface. What's more, Venus rotates very slowly, so you could keep the solar panels on the sunny side of Venus indefinitely, sort of like having permanent daytime. You'd have a limitless supply of solar energy.
Summarize the points made in the lecture you just heard, explaining how they cast doubt on the points made in the reading.